very good morning to all of you and welcome to my channel Mumbaikar Boy. Well, all of us are or were eagerly waiting for the rain gods to shower us with plenty rains. But it was taking time as we might have upsetted them. As we couldn't wait any longer, I decided to go on a ride actually to South Goa to explore some waterfalls. And who wanted to come along with me was a task, or I would say a challenge, to actually find the right people to go along. Well, Henry had given me this idea that let's go on a ride because we were riding to Spiti in the month of August, and we said let's do a impromptu ride and try and test the bikes as well if they're ready for long rides or no. And yes, we decided we'll go ahead. I put up a story. I had two of my staff who actually pinged me, and yes, we hit the roads, and this is us now heading towards Margao, and then we're going to go ahead to our first waterfall. And of course, South Goa. I love South Goa. Why? It's because South Goa has retained the old Goa looks. The vibe in South Goa is completely different, whereas North Goa has a lot of highways, bridges and stuff. You feel like a more metro city, what North Goa feels like. But South Goa has maintained its old charm, old Goa charm. That's why they call it Old Goa. Well, I hope you enjoyed this small little vlog where we're going to go ahead and explore these two waterfalls as you have seen in the description. It's Bumanbudo Waterfall and Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary that we'll be visiting, which is Savri Waterfall. Stay tuned and hope you enjoy the vlog further. So guys, we have finally reached our first stop. Actually, we thought of having breakfast. We are at Navtara in Margao. The boys were on time, so we left exactly at 6:45 as planned. Harsh and his two friends also were on time. Malik was on time. Actually, Malik was way on time. He called me at 5:30 saying that I'm already in Mapsa. So yes, we're going to have some quick breakfast and hit the roads again. Stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy this vlog with us. Without wasting much of a time, we were back on the roads, and it was completely a bliss as the weather was pleasant and not too hot. But it would have been fun if we got some rains on our way.
So we have finally made it to the Bumanbudo waterfall. Boys are here, we are enjoying the waterfall. This took us, it is approximately now what time? It's 9:18. After our break in Margao, we headed directly here. So let's enjoy the waterfall at the moment. So it's time to actually go ahead and find Malik 15,000 dirhams worth glasses. He unfortunately left it here. So it's time to go find it. So let's go deep dive and find the glasses. And it's time to dive. Found it. The 15,000 dirham doesn't look like 15,000. 50 और इतना मेरा जान जोखिम में डाल के मैंने 50 रुपए का ग्लासेस निकाल के नहीं लाया. Indian.
We spent an hour here as we were the only ones to reach the spot so early in the morning. Bumanbudo waterfall is located in South Goa, and we took the highway leading towards Palolim. Nestled in the quiet but serene village, you will have this road-touching waterfall that doesn't require any trek. Just climb down and you're at the foot of the waterfall. So yes, the boys enjoyed this waterfall. We are now headed towards the bubbling lake, and then we will head towards Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. So I hope you enjoyed these drone clips and the videos. We just had fun for an hour. It's not too deep. The water is very nice, clean, fresh, cold. See you on the ride ahead.
Well, the bubbling lake was fun. It is basically you can get breathers that the rock formations are doing, and when clapping or not clapping, you get the bubbles. I'm not sure if you can see them. I got some beautiful drone shots as well, and some beautiful videos on my phone, but not sure if you can see them or no. Now we're headed to the Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary, where we'll actually head the checkpost and everything. So I think it's around 7 minutes from here. And post the trekking, we will do the lunch.
So we have finally reached Netravali Wildlife Sanctuary. This is the main gate that you can see right here. And what we need to do is we need to take tickets from right there. So that is the ticket point. And they also have the safari, which is 500 rupees per person. And they drop it till inside. So we are not doing that. We are actually going to take our bikes till Savri Waterfall and then walk it out 1 kilometer. So let's go ahead and do that. These are the rules for Netravali. Okay, no honky, no plastic, nothing. Over here it says the rates. So the adult is 100 plus 50 convenience fee. Oh, I don't know. So 50 rupees is what we're going to pay for the GoPro as well. So the final pricing is as such. For a person, it is 100 rupees plus 50 rupees convenience charges, and for the bike, it is per bike 50 rupees. So I hopped on to Henry's bike, and we said we'll leave one bike there instead of taking all the bikes. The boys are a pair, so they had their bikes behind. You can see them riding just behind. And for the GoPro, I paid 50 rupees. Now we didn't ask for the drone. Not sure if drones are allowed or not, because on the main entrance board there is nothing written mentioned. You've seen the signage of what is not allowed, no pets, no arms, ammunition, no cigarettes, no alcohol, but nowhere they mentioned that no drones are allowed. So let's see. We are almost reached Savri Waterfall location. So we have to park the bike right here where it's going. Yeah, that's how you park the bike. And from here, it is going to be 1 kilometer of walking. So see you on the trek soon. So I got a very clear information of how Mainapi waterfall works. So you need to pay the safari. The price is 600 rupees with taxes and everything. And you don't have to walk this completely 4.5 kilometers or 5 kilometers that you have to walk. You don't have to walk that. So they take you till the 4.5. And the 500 meters, that is the only thing that you need to walk when you're going by the safari. So that's an advantage. You don't need to walk all that, what I've seen on reels and videos and stuff. But Savri, yes, you have to walk. There is no safari for Savri. And the boys are all getting ready. Guys, are you excited?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go. 1 किलोमीटर आनो 20 मिनट चलना पड़ता है भाई. Chalo. So it's 20 minutes trekking. Henry, are you up? Are you ready?
Yes. So over here, this is the first point, and now you need to go walk down. So over here, you can see there are public toilets. That is the best facility that they have done. And the best thing is that whatever money you're paying, they're giving you the facilities, not just taking money and putting it in their pockets. Hi. Hey. Hi. We have finally finished Savri Waterfall. We visited the Bumanbudo, and the boys are all exhausted. Well, it is approximately 200 steps. When going down, it is easy, but when coming up, of course, it is a little tiring for those who don't smoke and drink. Little tiring for the guys who smoke, like the team behind. They're out of breath. This guy, he's on he's he's on stamina. That's why.
Well, every good trek comes to an end. This is Mumbaikar Boy saying thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like, subscribe, and see you soon on such more videos. Till then, ride safe. Peace out.